Good morning, everyone. My name is Jasmine, and along with my colleagues Emmanuel, Jason, Note, and June, we will be presenting our final project utilizing IMU-based sensor for biometric data collection. Our goal is to develop a biometric sensor capable of accurately measuring human movements and interactions. Through signal filtering paradigms to detect and remove noise, we will be able to evaluate and compare biometric data across different participants using an IMU. Using the sensor and filtering paradigm, we hope to apply our project scope to studies regarding hand mobility, such as studies involving cerebral palsy or Parkinson's, or refining the granularity of biometric sensors currently available. Prior to data collection, calibration data will be collected that will be used to filter noise. This filter will then be applied to user interactions with the IMU to get an accurate reading of the chosen biometric data. The biometric data to be collected will range from a variety of activities, such as hand stability, wrist range of motion, diaphragm contractions, and heart rate. Each team member had the opportunity to collect data in these 4 activities. In hand stability, members held their hand as steady as possible on a table with the wrist hanging slightly off. After collecting that data, the following deviations were measured to compare wrist range of motion: radial, ulnar, flexion, extension, and supination. As for diaphragm contractions and heart rate, 5 minutes of data was collected from each team member. As for algorithms we are looking to implement, we have begun to explore different types of filtering codes based on prior works in the field. Once our data has been collected and we have a better sense of information we are extracting, we can more accurately apply the algorithms needed for our data. The sensor we are using is a vector nav IMU, which will measure yaw pitch roll for range of motion as well as breathing, and linear acceleration for our heartbeats. As for an interesting point for our project, we will present our findings for this project by creating a simple game. Given our 5 team members of diverse backgrounds in hobbies, interests, and injuries, we want to see how different our data is. For example, did you know that Emmanuel does Taekwondo, or that Jason has injured his wrist? These are variables we are looking to see are represented in our data collection and would help us identify exactly who is who and validate our biometric sensor findings. Presently, most of our data has been collected and we are in the process of plotting our data. We are in the preliminary stages of filtering and deciding on the most important information to extract. Our next steps are to finish data collection, filter our data, and present our findings in the final report. Thank you.